Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report from my good friend CJ in the Bayou on his General HP40. CJ come to me and was looking for one of these. This is the last one I had on the shelf. This, among many other radios, are just kind of hard to get a hold of right now. But I was glad to be able to bring this to CJ and show him what we got here. Our power on low, 50 watt scale, 4 watts per what he wanted. Our power on high, 50 watt scale, 25 watts per what he wanted. Show you average power swing. Low, 50 bird, right on the mark. 250 watt slug and peak. Hello, 125. No doubt. Oh yeah, got down. All right. CJ, I think you're really going to enjoy this radio. I know you've already got one, so it can't hurt to have another. Hey, if you haven't checked us out yet, check us out at www.truckscbsales.com. And I appreciate you. Bump, bump.